Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. And here is a very interesting take that I've been researching about when it comes to using testimonials using AI for your marketing. Now, when it comes to testimonials, no, I'm not talking about generating artificial testimonials. When you have a set of testimonials, most of the testimonials, if you look at the split, it is very difficult for you to go ahead and get video testimonials from your customers as compared to getting text or written testimonials. Now most of the times it can be because people are not too confident to get on camera. They're a little apprehensive to come onto the camera. They don't want to face the camera, but it requires a lot of hassle in terms of how do they look, what do they say, and all those things. They're conscious. So people find it easy to go ahead and give you written testimonials. But imagine if you have a written testimonial from somebody, you can go ahead and do a lot of things with that to make it more holistic in terms of giving more value to the user. Now, testimonials are not just because they don't just exist because you have to showcase them as a business owner, but they also exist because it is also in a way educating the customer. So keeping that in mind, here are a few things that you can use AI to go ahead and enhance your testimonials and the impact the testimonials can have on your marketing. So on your screens, you see we're going to talk about three different aspects of how you can use AI to enhance your testimonials and the impact from these testimonials. First is summarize and look for more angles, which means if you look at testimonials today, you can go ahead and use AI to go ahead and to make videos out of these two testimonials using an avatar. You can call the avatar exactly what your customer is named, whether it is a male, female, whatever, and then you go ahead and enhance that using these the tools that are going to go ahead and enhance speech. You can go ahead and feed that text, and then it can go ahead and generate a voiceover for you that you could use on tools like Synthesia to go ahead and make that written testimonial as a video testimonial. You can always say that the characters are not the real customers, but the content is exactly what the customers said. So this makes it very interesting to understand what you're trying to talk about or what your customer is trying to say, rather than having your potential customers read through, let's say, a two-page or a 10-sentence testimonial. So one way to look at that is go ahead and start making them as videos. So how do you do that? I mean, how are they different? The way they're different is because they don't just tell you what aspect you're talking about or what particular aspect of business you're talking about. It goes ahead and gives you a complete understanding as to the customer's journey, right? Now, when you say somebody, we're talking about issues where so you can go ahead and showcase the entire customer journey to go ahead and make it a very effective testimonial. Now, there are certain tools which can help you go ahead and make choices in the video, which means when the video is playing on your website, they're able to go ahead and interact with the video and choose from the options available. These are called as interactive videos. There are a lot of tools which can help you do that. Tools like VideoAsk and Sina is another tool. So you can go ahead and generate these interactive videos where you can understand your potential customers can get more value out of it. The goal is not to showcase your testimonials. The goal is to provide more value to the potential user, right? So interactive videos is one way they can add value. You can look at the entire customer journey, not just a certain aspect of whatever they said. And you can go ahead and generate multilingual testimonials. For example, if there's a customer in the US who has gone ahead and given you a testimonial, you could always repurpose that in Spanish, or convert that into Spanish, or generate Spanish audio, and then use Synthesia to go ahead and come up with avatars which can speak about it. And you can always say that the footage is AI generated, but the content of the testimonial is unadulterated, and it is exactly what the customers mentioned in the written testimonial. Now, why do they stand out? They stand out because you're not just talking about a piece of written text. They give you a holistic understanding of what your customer is trying to say. They reflect the sentiments of the users, because it is very easy for the sentiments to be transmitted to potential audiences or viewers who are watching that in the form of a video than just reading the testimonial out. And then you can also set up certain automations where you have, let's say, 10,000 testimonials, written testimonials on your website, and you can go ahead and automate the process where the moment a testimonial comes out, it gets fed into the system. It goes ahead and generates. You can integrate Synthesia to go ahead and generate those testimonials for you automatically. Now, how do we do that? Simple. We do that using tools like VideoAsk, and then there's another tool called AI Testimonial Generator. Then you have called you can always leverage Synthesia's functionality to go ahead and generate an end-to-end video testimonial. Let me know what you think. If you can think of any innovative breakthroughs or interesting ways this can be enhanced, please put it down in the comments and we will talk about it. Cheers.